On the 9th of September 1886 in the city of Berne, Switzerland, the Convention for the Protection of Literary and Artistic Works was signed. It is administered by the World Intellectual Property Organization and is an international agreement requiring its now 168 signatories to protect, in as effective and uniform a manner as possible, the rights of authors in their literary and artistic works. At the heart of the Convention is that each country of the Union shall automatically provide protection for works published in other countries of the Union, and for unpublished works by authors or creators who are citizens or residents of those countries. The types of works covered is broad, and encompasses productions in whatever form in the literary, scientific and artistic domains, though countries of the Union may prescribe that some works are not to be protected. There are two methods by which a work may qualify for protection. First, the personal criterion. Berne protects works regardless of their publication status if they are authored either by nationals or residents of Union countries. Secondly, the geographical criterion. Berne protects works whose author is neither a national nor resident of a Union country, provided that the first publication occurred in a member state. A signatory country is to guarantee to authors from other member countries that the rights it affords its own nationals will apply equally to them. Prior to the Convention, laws only applied to works created in an individual country. A novel that I wrote in Australia would be covered by Australian copyright laws, but could be mercilessly reproduced and sold in Canada. Integral to the Convention is that reciprocal protection is to be granted without the need for formal registration, or the copyright symbol, or even a declaration or assertion by the author. All copyrights in the work are enforced as soon as a work is fixed. Article 3 provides that the Convention's protection is applicable to both nationals and residents, and to both works first published and simultaneously published in signatory countries. If a work is published in a signatory and non-signatory country, the signatory country is the country of origin. If a work is published in a non-signatory country, the author's nationality is used. Reciprocity is also evident in that the Convention's terms encourage non-Union members to protect works by nationals of Union members, by stating that if they do not adequately protect works, countries of the Union are entitled to not extend protections to nationals of that country beyond that which is already granted by the country. At a glance, copyright duration for most works extends 50 years, with exceptions for photography and cinematography, though many countries provide a longer copyright duration than the minimum. For example, in the UK and Australia, the term is 70 years. In addition to reciprocity in international protections, the Berne Convention also requires that its members provide strong minimum standards of protection. The following economic rights belong exclusively to the copyright owner: the right to authorise translations, to reproduce, to authorise public performance and broadcast, arrangements or adaptations, the recitation of the work, or to adapt or alter the work. The author also has the moral rights to claim authorship and the right to integrity, which means the right to object to any treatment prejudicial to the author's honour or reputation.